Welcome to Code Station.
Hey guys, I welcome you back to our Code Station YouTube channel, and today I have brought you a new YouTube series on Bootstrap. So, in Bootstrap, we will dive into the basics of Bootstrap, a powerful framework that makes it easy to build responsive and mobile first websites. So, let's get started. So in this video, we are going to see what is Bootstrap, what are the importance and benefits of using Bootstrap, what are the examples of Bootstrap, the overview of Bootstrap's features, and the history of Bootstrap. So let's get started. Before moving forward, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Code Station. This helps us a lot for making new videos and new series for you. So let's now move forward to our first topic. So, what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free and open source front-end framework used for developing responsive and mobile-first websites. It includes a collection of design templates for typography, forms, buttons, navigation, and other interface components, along with optional JavaScript extensions. The main purpose of Bootstrap is to simplify the process of designing web pages by providing pre-designed components and a responsive grid system. So this makes it easier for developers to create professional looking websites quickly and efficiently. So why should we use Bootstrap? So let's look at some key benefits. The first one is responsive design. So Bootstrap automatically adjusts web layouts to fit various screen sizes and devices, ensuring a seamless user experience. The second is consistency. With standardized CSS and JavaScript components, Bootstrap ensures a consistent look and feel across different browsers and devices. The third is time saving. Pre-designed components and utilities reduce the time needed for coding and styling, allowing developers to focus on functionality and design. Bootstrap is also highly customizable. You can easily tweak it with Sass variables and built-in configuration options to meet your specific needs. And finally is the community and support. Bootstrap has a large and active community, extensive documentation, tutorials, and third-party plugins, providing ample resources for learning and troubleshooting. So now let's talk about some of the examples of Bootstrap. So talking about the examples, I will show you the official website of Bootstrap, which is getbootstrap.com. So here you can see a list of examples that we can use in our web application or website projects. So the first one I will show you is albums. So see here. So here Bootstrap provides you a predefined set of codes and classes which can be used to create albums. So this is the actual layout how your albums will look like. So here in the thumbnail you can show the images, the pictures of what you want to represent. Here you have the description, you can view it, edit it. So it provides various functionality and features for using albums and different kinds of structures. For example, we have our next example, which is pricing. Every e-commerce website needs pricing. If you want to use pricing somewhere in your website, you can go with Bootstrap. You will get this for free. You just have to embed its code in your website, and then you can get it for free. You can even customize it according to the documentation available in the Bootstrap. After pricing, I can also show you some. See, here you have a dashboard like in the admin panel. If I go to orders, products, so you have a list of various pages that you have to create, but it is just a sample of how Bootstrap can help you design. So all this you get is for free. it actually increases the efficiency of your website, and it is also mobile friendly. So I suggest using Bootstrap. Yeah, today nowadays we have React JS. If you don't want to use React, Angular, so you can just go for Bootstrap. See, here you have navbars too. So there are a list of navbars. If I click any one of the drop down, so I get a list of menus that this drop down contains. So these are the list of it. Then also we have fixed navbars. Whenever I scroll down, the navbar remains fixed. So this is called as a fixed navbar. So everything, each and every code you are getting on this website. So in this video, I will help you how you can use Bootstrap to design your best website. Okay. So now let's talk about some of the Bootstrap's core features. So first up, the grid system. So Bootstrap's grid system is flexible and responsive, allowing you to create complex layout using containers, rows, and columns. Bootstrap includes a wide range of reusable components like navigation bar, buttons, forms, cards, modals, and carousels, making it easy to build a functional and attractive UI. So here carousels are the slideshows which are available on the home page of any websites. You can also get forms, buttons, cards, navigation bars. So whatever you can make, whatever you want to design your website the best, you can get it from the Bootstrap website. So we have our next feature is like it also provides JavaScript plugins for adding interactive elements like modals, tooltips, popovers, and carousels without needing to write custom JavaScript. Without needing to write custom JavaScript, it is very easy, right? Bootstrap also offers a set of utility classes for common CSS tasks such as spacing, alignment, colors, typography, and visibility, simplifying the process of applying styles. Then and lastly, Bootstrap also allows easy theming customization through Sass variables, enabling you to create unique designs. So let's have a quick look at the history of Bootstrap. Bootstrap was originally developed by Mark Otto and Jacob Thornton at Twitter to encourage consistency across internal tools. It was launched as an open source project in 2011 August and quickly gained popularity due to its ease of use and comprehensive documentation. Since then, Bootstrap has undergone several major updates. The current version, Bootstrap 5, continues to build on this foundation, offering even more flexibility and modern features. So, Bootstrap is used by many high profile websites and applications. So, 20% of the world's websites are developed using Bootstrap. So, Bootstrap is used by high profile websites and web applications including LinkedIn, Spotify, and Airbnb. So it's widely used in both corporate environments and personal projects because of its ease of use, consistency, and comprehensive feature set. So Bootstrap is also a popular choice for educational resources with many online courses and tutorials using it to introduce web development concepts and best practices. So that's a wrap up for our introduction to Bootstrap. In the next episode, we will cover how to set up Bootstrap in your project. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.